Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your XIAOMI Mi 10 Lite, at the first you have to open Tools folder, then move to the recorder. After that you have to accept all the permissions and click right here to start the record. Tap that we got it, and right now we are going to check the quality of this record. So you have to click right here to see all the records that you have on your smartphone. Click play. Okay, let's play one more time, because the speaker is right here and you probably cannot hear it well, so I'm going to lift this smartphone a little bit. Record. Tap that we got it, and right now we are going to... I think that the quality is very good, and that's how you can record sounds on this device. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!